Hey guys, what are you gonna pair with this egusi? What are you gonna pair with it? So our ingredients are, I've got some dried mushrooms, I've just washed it, and I'm gonna be adding it to my stock. I've got my stock fish, all right? These are the things that are gonna take this soup to another level. Now, this ogiri, this is fermented locust beans. Now, there are different types of it, but this is the one that stinks. All right, can you see what it looks like? Yes, it stinks for England, but you need it to enhance your flavor. It's a natural flavor enhancer. You can have some mushroom powder as well. I make mine. I believe I've got a video on how I make my mushroom powder. All right. Obviously, the uziza, this is my basic base for Nigerian cooking without any artificial enhancers, and alligator peppers. I've got some onion powder. I made this as well. And this is crayfish. This is just dried smoked shrimps. A bit of good quality sea salt will do. Obviously, palm oil. All right. And you want some bell peppers. Now, these are tatashe. You can use the sweet bell peppers if that's all you have, or you can use paprika powder. And this is Cameroon pepper. It is really pungent and spicy. You only need half a teaspoon. Okay, and the star of the day, guys, this is my harvested water leaves from my garden. I need to give it a good wash. I've just had it overnight in the fridge. So this is gonna be the vegetable we're using on top of the soup. So yeah, let's get into it. All right. Hello, and welcome. I have to introduce myself. My name is Mecca. I live in the south of England. I grow lots of my vegetables and I heal my body from fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue thanks to God, using life-giving foods and also avoiding highly processed foods. So we are making this soup without artificial enhancers. These are African seed melons, also known as Egusi. It's a popular meal. It's a very high fat meal, but it's so nutritious and delicious. It's just like pumpkin seeds, okay? So we're gonna start with a stock base. You need a decent stock base. Now, this is pescatarian, but we're having a stock. So we have some smoked dried fish, and we also have some stock fish, all washed and cleaned, and a bit of water. I soak my stock fish overnight to get the stock out. Now you had some salt, some pepper. I love the yellow peppers, some uziza seeds, and alligator peppers. These are our local African seasonings that will enhance the flavor of this food and give it the bang we need, guys. Now you can toast your pumpkin melon seeds whole, or you can toast it blended. I just wanted to show you can do either way. I love doing it myself. I blend it myself, but you can just buy it blended and toast it on the pan. Toast it on a dry pan. Our stock is looking good. We just added some mushrooms. Now, smoked or dry shiitake mushrooms are amazing for our health and also delicious. Water leaves, which are the star of the day, I've just picked them, washed them, and I'm gonna chop them up and get them ready. Toasted pumpkin seeds are ready as well. So guys, we're just gonna go straight into this. It's a quick one. After toasting those seeds, it doesn't take time. A little bit of palm oil is all you need. I also added some tomato paste and onion, just making like a stew base, okay? Saute this for about 5 minutes because my paste is almost cooked, and I'm adding my blended tatashe or bell peppers. And yes, you need the stinky ogiri. This is the best flavor enhancer for Nigerian soups, okay? The stinky one, guys. Try it and let me know what you think. So I'm just going to add it to my stew base, and now I'm adding the toasted pumpkin seeds. All right, now it doesn't even need 3 minutes here because this pumpkin seeds are already cooked, the melon seeds. So the egusi is already cooked. We're just gonna mix this up in our oil and our tomato base, and now we just add all our seasonings. So more uziza, crayfish powder, some mushroom powder, and alligator peppers, and some mushroom powder. We want to enhance our flavors naturally, and herb spices at the base. Okay, now we're gonna add our stock. This thing cooks so fast once you've toasted the egusi. Sometimes I toast it, put it in the freezer, and I have it ready to go. So look, this thing is boiling. We're going to add the fish. At least I didn't use even half of that fish. We need to save it, and we don't eat too much animal protein, fish or no fish. It's pescatarian, but it's still animal protein. So we've added our stock fish and our smoked fish, and I'm tasting this, and I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. Okay, food is ready, guys. Food is ready. Oh, I wanted it a bit more colorful, so some paprika. You can add paprika to your taste. Paprika powder enhances the color, especially we're not using so much palm oil. All right. So guys, guys, this food is ready in no time. I had to speed do this video because we don't want to be here forever cooking egusi soup. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. This water leaf, try water leaf in your egusi soup. My mom used to make this growing up. It was one of the best egusi soups we ate. Okay, egusi is nice with bitter leaf, with spinach, with so many other vegetables, but I love it also with water leaf. Try it and also let me know what you think, guys. Okay, I'm so grateful. Obviously, I grew this water leaf so I could cook this special delicacy. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, what are you bringing to the table? Are you gonna use fufu, pounded yam, eba to eat this thing? Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched till this point, and guys, subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, me right now, I'm going to eat my egusi, so I'll see you in another video. Bye.